Hey guys, I'm Desikan, and today's video I'm going to be talking about unpopular opinions about certain makeup products that probably you might frown upon and people would dislike my opinion about certain products. So those are the products I'm going to be talking about. The reason I'm talking about this is because I have collected opinions about these products over time in my comment section. Like every time I talk about these products in a different way, people get upset. So those are the products we're going to be including in today's video. So let us see what are the products that I have to share. Of course, you can share your unpopular opinion as well about a certain product that is raved after by everyone, but you don't like it for some reason. You can share that in the comment section as well before we start with this video. Now, before we get into this video, it might be your favorite products. The reason this is unpopular is because it could be just me, so you don't have to come in the comment section and defend these products. So anyways, let's first get started with raved about product, but somehow it didn't work for me at all. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. So I was thinking I might give this another shot in a different shade. So this one is in the shade 310. Maybe I'll get a warmer shade for my skin and see how that works, because I did that recently with the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. So I got the shade 312 golden, and I really like the shade match. So all these days my perception about Maybelline products were that they don't really have something that suits my skin tone, but I will give it one last chance and see if I like it in a better different shade. This one is almost empty, so it's okay that I get a different shade for myself. I will give this product one more shot because this is raved after by everyone loves it, and for me some reason the shade was really off and it made my skin look extremely powdery and matte. So I'm just hoping that there is a reformulation. Sometimes they don't let us know that it is reformulated, and it might have been reformulated. So I just want to give it that one shot. Same thing goes with Maybelline Fit Me concealer. A lot of people really like it. It's very lightweight. It's something that they can use on a daily basis, but for me, for some reason, it doesn't work at all because I have dark circles and I cannot use something with very light coverage. So that is something that I wanted to let you guys know. Next up, we are talking about the Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial Skin Elixir. A lot of people, oh my god, around the world love this product, and a lot of content creators love this product. I have seen them love it, but I don't really like it at all because I am so surprised at the amount of shimmer particles that is present in this. This is very shimmery for my liking, and I'm surprised that nobody finds it to be that shimmery. Is it just me? Am I being very nitpicky? Because it's okay if you use these kind of bright lights because you can't really see what is on your skin that much. But if you were to wear this during the daytime, or if you are looking at your skin up close, it does contain a lot of shimmer. Not that that shimmer is exaggerating anything, it's not like it is emphasizing anything, but I would have liked it if it was more of a more finely milled shimmer, maybe. Then it would have worked for me. Same thing goes with their foundation. So this one is the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. I've not heard a lot of people. I've actually not heard anyone mention that this had shimmer particles in it. If it was mentioned, I would have never bought this in the first place because I did check quite a lot of reviews before I bought this. And to my surprise, when I applied it, like when I applied under these lights, I couldn't see it at all. So I was looking at my face before reviewing it in natural light, and I was like, okay, what is all of this shimmer? So I assumed that I took a brush which I used my highlighter, or maybe some kind of highlighter or eyeshadow fell on my foundation brush and I applied it. So I was like, okay, is this for real? And then I pumped it on my hand and then just rubbed it nicely, and then after a while I was like, okay, this has like giant glitter particles, shimmer particles in it. What is happening with this foundation? So I assumed that this would be like the LA Girl illuminating foundation, but it's just illuminating, very glowy foundation with no shimmer at all. But nope. So tell me if I'm the only one who finds this one to be shimmery. I just want to know, because the shade and everything is really nice, formula is really nice, just that it is visible. And then I have a couple of like base products. The Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Hydra Foundation. Okay, this is supposed to be a hydrating foundation, especially if you have dry skin or normal skin type, and I have that. I have normal skin, sometimes occasionally dry, but it kind of piles up around my nose, clings onto my texture. You know that product build up where your product is just piling up on it? That's what this does to my skin, and it just doesn't look hydrated, it doesn't look flawless. In fact, it looks like it sucked out all the moisture from my face. And I also got this in the wrong shade, which is my fault. Okay, I am owning up to it. It is in the shade 3.18, which has olive undertone, which olive undertones don't work with my skin tone. It makes me look a little bit like dull because because it clashes with my undertone. The shade that was recommended for my skin tone was 3.2, which was out of stock when I wanted to buy this, because I picked this one up on 24% discount. So I just wanted to get something that is closer so that I could try this product out. And I'm glad I actually got this on a discount, because imagine paying full price for this and it didn't work for you, because the full price of this one is 3,300 rupees and it's not cheap. It just doesn't look nice. I have affordable foundations that don't do that. Miss Claire foundation is super affordable and it looks like skin. Same thing with the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. It works out for a lot of different people, and I've not heard that many negative reviews about this foundation, but just for me, I feel like it's a little bit powdery on the skin and it just doesn't go well with my skin, no matter how prepped it is. After a while, it just starts to get powdery, it looks bad, and emphasizes texture I didn't even know existed. So also the shade that was recommended for my skin tone was Golden Sun 260, but I don't know, the undertone is not right, or I'm not sure. At this point, I'm not sure. I have found affordable options for that. I'm sure you guys watched that video. If you haven't, I will link it right here. And then the Pond's BB cream, Garnier BB cream. So when I recommend mass BB cream, I got a comment saying that Pond's and Garnier is much better. I can see it work for people of lighter skin tone than I am, but anywhere like light, medium, or maybe medium tan, deeper, it doesn't work at all. So where is the shade option available for us in this? The mass one has a little bit more glow to it. It looks nice and skin-like. This one doesn't look like that, and it doesn't even have that much of a coverage. You can say, yeah, it's a BB cream, why do you need coverage? But even the mass one is a BB cream. So if you use a light hand, you can at least get it up to like light medium, but this one is like light. And if you layer it on, yeah, I'm out of words. So when I recommend something, I'm trying to at least like see how many shades that they have. So compared to a lot of BB creams in the Indian market, I think only the Nykaa BB cream and the Mass BB cream have some shades to offer for other skin tones. The rest, it's just beige. It's just light. So I can't see it work for a lot of skin tones and also skin types. Then we have the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. I can get the hype about this. It has really good coverage. It stays on for a really long time. But not anymore, because you can find really affordable dupes for this one, and those dupes perform better than this particular product itself. I have found a dupe for this. I will link it right here. That one, it just has better coverage. You do get lesser quantity than the MAC one. MAC you get 15 grams. I think in that you get 9 or 12 grams, but it is a lot cheaper. It's less than half the price of the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. So definitely do look out for that. If you are an ardent lover of the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, I have an option for you guys, and you will not be disappointed with good shade range. Check out that video right here. And then another lipstick that is recommended to all skin types and says it would suit a lot of different skin types is MAC Meher. It doesn't work for my skin like without makeup. Like with makeup, I can pull this one off for sure. But without that, it's a very pale, muted pink shade, and it would look a little bit too washed out on my skin tone. So it's not a universal shade by any means. So if you got that because someone mentioned that and you thought that this is going to match your skin tone, I can sense your disappointment. I'm with you, because it doesn't match people of medium skin tones, medium tan, deeper skin tones without makeup. Now you can say that you can pair this up with a deeper lip liner and then pull it off, but why? When you got a product to make it work on its own with a lip liner, yeah, it will work, but on a daily basis, do we really have to go through that hassle when we're getting ready to get to work? So the next one I'm going to be talking about is the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. So this again was recommended by a lot of people for a lot of different skin tones, and I got this, and I used to love this a lot, even to wear it without makeup, until I applied it one day and I was just looking so dull. It was just not working well for me that particular day. And that's when I realized that this goes well with makeup or certain outfits or something like that, but not something that you can wear on a daily basis. Or maybe if you didn't have enough sleep, or if you are sick and you want some lipstick to look like a pick-me-up shade, this is certainly not that. And also another unpopular opinion is about Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. Not a lot of people like this at all. It makes them look dull and lifeless. But for me, it's the perfect my lips but better kind of a shade. I can wear this without makeup on a daily basis. You can see the amount of product I've used. That's a lot, you guys, for the amount of lipsticks I have. It's always in my bag. It's always the one that I reach out for when I'm wanting to play safe with my lip color and I want to keep it like, very subtle. And I even wear this most of the times when I'm filming my videos. So you see how makeup preferences, opinions differ from person to person, and it's completely okay. This is something not a lot of people like, but I love it. And then we have the K-Beauty lip crayons, and see, these are really nice. It's not that it's bad, it's hydrating, it's nice on the lips, but I feel like, in terms of price per quantity, the pigmentation and everything, they're not the best I've seen. You have affordable options from Swiss Beauty Mass Lip Crayon. You also get Faces, which has more pigmentation. The quantity is pretty much similar to the K-Beauty one itself, but you get better pigmentation and everything. So yeah, something that I never got myself to repurchase again. I didn't want to try it out because it is pretty pricey, and I didn't feel like I need to go out and buy another one because of the performance of this one. There are some tempting shades, I will not deny that. The shades are really nice, but just that the formula and pigmentation is not enough for me, especially with someone with pigmented lips. It just doesn't work for me that well. If you like it, that's good. Good, okay? Good for you. Don't comment me. So yeah, that's pretty much all the products I wanted to talk to you guys about. Let me know what are the products that you dislike that everyone else loves. Let me know in the comment section down below. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.